Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be opening the Magic the Gathering Secret Lair D&D drop for the official license movie tie-in. You know, because Wizards own both Dungeons and Dragons and Magic, so this was a no-brainer for them probably. Yeah, so we're going to tear into this. Let's take a look at the back. I got the foil ones. I know the cards that are in this, and I've got decks, and most of them are going to be going into almost straight away. That's cool. It's even cooler. And, there we go. Alright. There's the second box. I'm loving digging this red. Wow. Okay. We slide it. It's just our third layer. Oh, hey, let me get to our cards. Alright. So I know there's a card for here. Yeah, we'll show off that. Show off Themba Chud. Our big dragon boy. I am very much going to build a commander deck of this dude. And it might just be a just all basic 99 basic red mountains and this guy for the meme. Okay, and then we can slowly just try to... Oh, that's... Alright. Just peel that gently. Ooh, give that a twist. There we go. Not really a fan of their way of attaching that. But oh well. Alright. So, we've got Edgin, Chris Pine, the better Chris Pine. He's in Is It Colours, a human bard. We've got the Paladin. I will be building this guy, commander deck. I've already kind of got one mocked up, so just been waiting for these to come. We've got Simon. See, I thought this should have been the Is It card, but you know, because of wild magic, but I'm happy with it just being blue. The D20 rolling is nice as well on here. It's probably going to go in my group hug deck. Holger. Relentless Barbarian. Well, Relentless Rager even, but she's a barbarian. That's very cool card. Forge. The Rogue. I don't have a black deck this will fit in, but I'm sure I can find one. And our Druid, the flip card with the Rule of Cool Owlbear, Bird Bear, as it states on the back here. Wow. These are very nice cards. Let's open Themba, shall we? Free him from the mortal chains. Ooh, there we go. Alright. So all in all, this is the first secret lair I've actually brought. Because I really enjoyed the movie. Very much so. So, you know, it was nice to have all these. And this guy alone, just after, you know, watching the film, I wanted to build this guy as a commander. He's a very lovable character. Maybe I'll build an Is It deck at some point. I'm going to have to find homes for all these cards in different decks. But yes, they're they're nice. The foiling on them as well is very, very fancy. So there we go, and one last look at the big boy. I love this exert on the bottom. But yeah, that was this is the D&D Magic Secret Lair drop for the D&D movie. So I know we've got these, but I'm gonna throw in a pack at the end, and I'm gonna be opening an Infinity Draft Booster. I've opened so much of this. I absolutely love this set. One of my favourite decks that I've built is Gamer, the most dangerous gamer, and it's a nightmare. It's a Disneyland with a Shieldred, a Vorinclex, and an old Gnawbones. So you can build him quite competent if you're willing to dump stupid money into it. And flip. There we go. We got a Line Cutter, an Amphibianaut, Frog Guest, Bar Entry. It's Acorn, so it's not illegal. One Clown Band, a 6-sided die, Coming Attraction, Aardwolf's Adventure, jumping through some fire hoops, Complaints Clerk, Octo Ops. That's a cool card. What's that? Ah, it's Acorn. A pair of Lost Dice, and for our rare, we got a Joy Sculptor. Fortunately, is Acorn, so not legal. And the best part of these packs is these land. Just absolutely adore the forests. Well, all of the basic artworks in this set. Hey, Second Son. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. That was the Magic Secret Lair D&D film tie-in movie drop. That bloody mouthful. Hope to see all you guys in another video. Thank you, goodbye.